Hello everyone, hope you're all okay. Right, I did this the other day and I thought I would just come on and show you it and have a go with the other piece. Show you how I did it. It's just a piece of, excuse the crinkling, paper that comes from bouquets of flowers. Somebody gave me this just after Christmas. Oh, I've got loads of it actually, all different sorts, but I thought, oh, I wonder if those glass paints will work on that. So as I showed you the other day, I've got loads of old glass paints left. So I just had a play and I think it's beautiful. I don't know quite what I'm going to do with it. I mean, it'd be nice as just a sheet of wrapping paper, say, or I thought I might try and cut it down and make some little gift bags. Well, I don't know whether my glue wouldn't stick it, but whether the strong red tape would stick it or not, I don't know. Or it might make some nice flowers. Don't know whether you ladies have got any other ideas, but I just think that's beautiful. It's so pretty. And it's clingy. You can probably tell how I did it anyway, just by looking at it. But I just want to have another play. And I wondered whether it would, I know not everybody's got glass paints, I wondered whether it would work with nail varnishes, if you've got any nail varnishes left, which I've got some somewhere. Whether they've dried up, might have another play another day, but say this is the one that can't speak, that I used for that. But I've also got just a clear one, and I've got this one with already pattern on it, and I've also got one with butterflies on. And just as I got this out, I thought, oh well, that would be nice if I painted all those butterflies. No, I'm not doing that. Yes, it would look very pretty, but no, I'm not doing that. I wonder if you could do it with Sharpie markers. Don't know, but I'm not going to do that one. It was just a fleeting idea. Came into the brain and went straight out again. Right, so what are you all up to today? Today being Sunday, Mr. Doodles. Can't get that one undone. Lost because I've just put hand cream on. Can't get it undone with that either. Right, let's try another one. Oh, there we go. Yeah, Mr. Doodle's at work, so... And I just tipped bits over like that, and then just spread it on with my card. And I thought I was going to end up with mud at one point, but I wasn't really bothered. But let's see if we get mud. We might get mud. I'd used a pinkish one, but when it was down it looked purple, and I thought, oh well, purple and yellow usually make mud, I believe. But, as I say, I wasn't a lot bothered. I thought, it's a bit of paper. But this is all I was doing. Just let me open the window a bit. Oh, there we go. Because it's quite strong for anybody that's not used glass paints before. When you won't want to do this, this is a bit wasteful if you're just buying new glass paints. But for any that are 20 plus years old, it's fine. What shall I use? Oh, bummer, I can't get these undone now. Darn it! These scissors are usually good for this. But they're blooming well not this morning. Oh, damn it, I wanted that blue as well. Never mind. What else have we got? orange. Oh, I want that blue on. Oh, I do, I want the blue on. Shouldn't have put grease on my hands, should I? Yeah, there we are. Oh, blooming heck. Can you do it for me? Can someone do it? Do you know what? I'm as weak as a kitten. Weak as a kitten. Some of these paints have got blobs in them as well. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow, that's pretty. Yeah, that's going nice and muddy over there. We'll just leave that bit. This one's not going to be as pretty as my other one. Mud, mud, mud. Mud. Not going to have to start the mud song again, am I? Oh, my life. Yep, it looks like it. Yeah, pretty. Apart from this side, blue and orange don't go together then. My lordy, lordy, lordy. What shall we do? What shall we do? What shall we do? Let's bung a bit of purple on. Because we know purple and orange doesn't go. Do we care? No, we don't. No, we don't. So this is how not to do it. It's still pretty though. Yeah, I might come on with some nail varnishes another day. I'll play with some nail varnish. I'll put a bit of purple up there, try and cover that mud up. But there we go. Nothing ventured and all that jazz. Whoa, this is strong out. You've got your gas masks on. It'll be floating up on the ceiling in a minute, I think. It does dry quickly as well, this one, with it being just a thin layer. Oh, so pretty. I don't know if it's showing up as pretty as it looks to me. Lovely. This will make something nice. So if you've got any ideas other than bags or flowers, there we go. Right, so that's how I did that other one. That pretty. It's better than just a piece of plain cellophane. Now let me pop that there. Move that one out of the way. Just going to have a go on this one. Now, which side shall I use? Use that side because that's the side that's been printed on, I think. I think I'll just use the, probably just use the red one. I want that blooming turquoise one open. There we go. It needed that bit. So, put some of this on. Don't know whether this will work on this clear one. I presume it will. Probably I'm not going to put any of that on then. There we go. There we go. And some of the Bordeaux. The Bordeaux. See what sort of mess we come up with that. That combination. Oh, I like that. Yeah. I'll probably put too much on. Oh, that looks nice. At least I'm using stuff up. There's a method to my madness, because if I use things up, then I'm justified buying new stuff. That's my idea. One thing I do want to start using this year is I've got so many samples of wallpaper, and when I'd done those, showed you those postcards last week that were done with textured wallpaper samples that I used on my jelly plate, I thought, yeah, I've got all other kinds of wallpapers. I need to start using those up. And I've just been watching Nina. She's used wallpaper this week for her videos that she puts up on a Sunday. Oh yes, Nina, I need to be using my wallpapers. I put a little bit too much on the bottom there, but I think that's just lovely. It's just, again, I don't know what I will do with that. It's nice that you can still see the cack-handed here. Oh, I knew I'd do that. I just knew I would do that. Right, so that's that. That's all I was going to come on quickly and show you this morning. I thought I desperately want to do some more squidging with my glass paints and card. So, on that note, I shall love you and leave you and speak to you in the week sometime. So thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.